bus stop. What are they doing? They're spying. The first victim, the photographer. What is going on? Wait, what? What? How do they do that? Is that like just a huge screen or something? Dude, that's crazy. Hashtag creative day. That's actually pretty sick. Not gonna lie, that's very creative. That's so funny. That guy looks, no way. No way. This guy looks like he's gonna report it or something. Oh, he's a good sport. He's a good sport about it. That's so funny. Very creative, very creative video. Stupid. See Eric Johansson and other creative minds. I mean, I don't know how I would feel if somebody did that. You know what I mean? Like if I'm just waiting at a bus stop and somebody's photoshopping me live. I don't know. I would have I think I would have kind of freaked out. I would have been like, who the heck is freaking photoshopping me right now? Who's spying on me? But it was pretty funny though, nonetheless. Pretty good one.